Hey there, boys and girls. We are on day 4 of our December daily math. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, 509 plus 3 equals something plus 509. Is that a trick question? No. 509 plus 3 equals 3 plus 509. Okay. Is there a name for that addition property? Do you remember what that is? Maybe you could tell me, if you could remember, what the name of that addition property is. So something plus 78 equals 78 plus 6. 6. Makes them equal, right? This side has to be equal to this side. Okay. Write an even number that is less than 20. How about 10? Okay. Any number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, or 18 will work. All right. Show how you know that your number is even. Okay. 10. I'm going to split this in half. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I have there is I have the exact same split into 2 equal pieces. That means it's even. Okay? If I had an extra and I had to put one over here, then it would be odd. They have to break into 2 equal groups. All right, complete the fact family and then write the fact family. Okay, 13 minus 6 equals 7. So 13 minus 7 equals 6. That would mean 6 plus 7 equals 13, and 7 plus 6 equals 13. All right, how many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, equals 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. All right. Don't forget to tell me what that property is. Okay? That makes it equal when you just change your numbers and they're still the same. Okay? Let me know. All right? We'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye, guys.